Hi everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make Abacha. But before that, if you are here for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. And to my returning subscribers, I say thank you for always coming back to watch my video. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, drop your comment, like, and also share with family and friends. These are some of the ingredients. And I have my African nutmeg, roasting it already. After roasting it, I'm going to transfer it into a mortar, and this is how the African nutmeg look like. So I'm going to add 1 UGBA and I'm going to crush this. After crushing it, I'm going to add it to my crayfish and then blend it in a small blender. This is the crayfish I'm going to use, and I'm going to add it into a blender and then add my crushed ehuro and UGBA and then blend together. So now you can see me transferring it into the blender and I'll blend it behind the camera. Then after that, the next thing is to soak the Abacha. So if you are going to soak your Abacha, please you can either use warm water or you use normal room temperature water, but don't soak it too long, because when you soak it too long, you may not like the outcome. So I'm going to soak this for about 3 minutes and I'm going to cover it and keep it aside while I continue preparing the other ingredients. This is after 3 minutes. I'm straining the Abacha, and the next thing is to add oil into the pot. The oil is thick, so I have to melt it a little. Please don't fry the oil, it's just for it to melt a little. Then after that, I added potash water, ncha or ungu, depending on how you know it. But I'm using potash. Mix until it is thick and creamy. At this point, I will be adding grounded crayfish mixed with ehuro and UGBA, adding seasoning. Add ogirishi. I added more because I discovered the first one I added was not enough, so you can add as much as you want. I added more little ogiri, then added Abacha. Smoked catfish. Some salt, Scotch bonnet pepper, and here is my roasted pepper or Cameroon pepper. Add some chopped onion. Then mix well until well combined. Make sure you break the ogirishi. Make sure you break it well so that you will not find the lumps inside your Abacha, and mix it properly. At this point, I'll be adding my Abacha. After adding it, you mix it well until well combined. There are different methods of preparing Abacha, and this is one of the methods. So I want you to try this, and I know you are going to like it. At this point, you can add your vegetable. You can use any vegetable of your choice, but today I have some garden egg and garden egg leaf, also known as anyara. I added more garden egg, and this is because I like plenty vegetable in my abacha. Then mix it well until well combined. At this point, I discovered this pot will be small for me to mix up the abacha very well, so I decided to fetch some into another pot and then added my pomode. Our abacha is ready to be served. At this point, you can garnish your abacha with any protein of choice. Here I have some fried mackerel fish and pomode. I also added more vegetable and onion. So this depends on how you want your abacha. Abacha is very easy to prepare and easy to go delicacy, and it is also easy to prepare. If you watch this video up to this point and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, as that will enable you to see more of my video as I post from time to time, and we have a lot to learn together here. Thank you. Don't also forget to like and share, and also drop your comments. And to my returning subscribers, I say thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. And don't forget to like and share, and also drop your comment. Thanks for watching, and see you some other time in my next video. Bye bye.